Hey there, folks. Today I've got a handy phrase to talk about. I've got to go. Let's dive right in. The expression, I've got to go, is a casual way to say you need to leave or that you have to get somewhere else. It's a quick and friendly way to let someone know you can't stay. For instance, imagine you're at a friend's house and you need to leave to catch a bus. You could say, I've got to go. The bus is coming soon. It's a simple and polite way to say you have to leave without being too formal. So, I've got to go is a useful phrase for everyday conversations. Next time you're in a hurry, use it to let others know you need to leave. It's friendly and to the point. That's it for today's quick lesson. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful English phrases. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English can be fun and easy. See you next time, because I've got to go.